Hey folks, just a quick one to let you know that I've uploaded Mandarendare. We've got here videos from Forward. Let's have a quick scroll down. I'm watching this on Google Chrome, or sorry, I'm using Google Chrome browser. I filmed Mandarendare the same day we did Chippenberry and Nimutimu, so they're all up together. We've got the full Forward Quenta style. Let's just pick a slot into the video so you can hear his music. And then let's have a look at the notation pack. There's loads in here. So we're going to our notation pack page. There's, let me scroll down through all these. Here we go, Mandarendare. And this pack has got, I think, 17 cycles. You can see me. Hi guys. Just loading. Hiya. Okay, so there's our cover. If you scroll down, you can see all of our notation. I've gone into some sort of analysis of the song structure there that some of you will find helpful, and some extra ideas here. So we've got basic Kushara, then basic Kutsinhira, and then after that, I've gone into the full improvisation that Forward's done and grabbed loads of sort of consecutive cycles so you can see how he's sort of evolving through the song. Yeah, there's some unusual stuff here. There's some extra notes that he popped in just as he was making the transition. I hope you enjoy the pack. It's quite challenging this month, but the earlier stuff, the basic parts, they are accessible. So yeah, Mandarendare. The quick way in, just head up to the top, hit tags, and you get all the songs that we've got up, and you can grab the one that you want. Super. Cheers guys.